Experiment 34. Color the crystals. Tools needed from kit: 3 petri dishes, yellow measuring scoop, 1 small test tube, 3 filter papers, packet 6, which is your urea, and bottle 17, which is your PVA glue. Ingredients needed from home: 3 non-permanent colored markers, dish soap, and water. Directions: measure 15 ml of water into the test tube. Next, pour into each petri dish 15 ml of water. Next, put 5 spoonfuls of urea into each petri dish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure the urea is dissolved. Once the urea is dissolved, put a few drops of PVA glue into the first dish. Put a few drops of dishwashing soap into the second dish. Put a few drops of both PVA glue and dishwashing soap into the third dish. Next, prepare the filter paper just as in experiment 32. Put 1 filter paper into each dish. To prepare the paper, cut straight across the bottom to create a flat edge. Then you're going to put your paper around in a circle like that and staple it, or use some sort of bobby pin or paper clip or something like that to hold it in this position so that it will stand in the solution. After you have prepared the filter papers, mark the top edges of the filter paper, each with a different color. Once you have prepared the filter paper, stand them into the solutions. Now wait 1 hour, 1 day, and 3 days and measure the crystal growth for each solution.